as soon as we build our lightsaber, then we're going to Food and Wine.
Yeah,
we're gonna eat all the food and drink all the wine.
Yeah, we've been in the studios all day, and this is the first day in 3 months. It's been busy.
I know.
Like hour and 5 wait for the Millennium
Not
Falcon.
hour and 5, 105.
Oh, 105. Sorry.
Yeah, we waited like 100 minutes.
Couldn't get on Slinky Dog because it was broken this morning. And then Toy Story Mania had a 40-minute wait for the Fast Pass.
What's the Fast Pass? That was like the only Fast Pass we were using today, and
It
40
broke.
minutes.
Yeah.
So we're like, forget that. I'll wait 40 minutes.
There's some stormtroopers. One just bothered me while I was trying to pay.
What's mine called?
You're like power and persuasion, or
No.
peace and harmony, and
What are you?
unlike environmental causes,
Nature helmet, I think.
elemental something.
I don't remember.
So this is Batu with umbrellas.
I don't think Betu would have umbrellas.
No. There's more stormtroopers. There's actually 4 of them.
Yeah, one scared Dave.
Well, he didn't scare me.
You thought I was like bothering you. You're like,
yeah,
what?
you're like, what? You're telling me to get out of this man's way while I'm transacting?
Yeah, the stormtrooper was right there.
Well, don't bother people.
Oh, you videoing?
Yeah,
Oh, hi.
but I'm blocking the screen.
We're late.
Well, they're late, not us. We are not late. We were on time.
My next folder, come right here. Place your credential in the very front, please.
You'll be right here now.
Place your credential in the very front, like that.
You'll be right here.
I know that the outpost can be a lot right now. But that's up there, you're in here. Take a breath. Be here now. Welcome to the workshop. You may think you're just standing amidst old junk, so let me clarify. You are also standing amidst new junk. I know, it doesn't look like much, but to us, it's everything. I'm so glad that you're here safely today. Thanks largely to my fellow gatherers. Thank you. You can call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. Have you heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? You have? Well, we hear that there is another, a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Yes, Rey. What she is leading is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. So you're here, right? You're here to look ahead. You're here to build a better future. And, of course, you're here to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with a force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. I'm getting ahead of myself. We begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. It's able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may know some of these from our history. Blue, like the blade wielded by the great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. It's rare and it's beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. And today we're here for you, our future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So everyone, please close your eyes and picture your crystal in your mind. What does it look like? What color is it? What color do you know is yours? Now open your eyes and confidently take your crystal. Now time to join your crystal with the saber design that you selected. So everyone please carefully place your kyber crystal in the crystal holder in front of you. You will now begin building your hilt, which is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. The part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Obviously not listed in order of importance. Inside these boxes, you'll find the lightsaber components. I will give you a brief overview before we begin. You're going to start all the way on the left-hand side of the chassis, which will first be joined with your kyber crystal. You'll then go all the way to the right-hand side, choosing one set of 2 activation plates. Back to the left, choosing 2 of the 4 grips, 1 emitter, 1 pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your crystal, you will select each part that makes up your own lightsaber. The gatherers are here to guide you. Let's build.
Right, sons, my friends, my name is Lego, and I'm helping you with the build. On the chassis, you're going to see some blue and red squares, another blue square, and all these window ports on top. We're going to do the hardest part first. Let's get this kyber crystal inside of the chassis. I like to put my kyber crystal top end first and push it upwards on the spring mechanism. Once I'm trying to push it on the top, I let it fall and it can light up as it spins inside. There we go, we have it in place. Now next up will be the activation plates. Center there? There we go, alright. Now, when you look inside your activation plates, you'll see some red and blue squares. Your red goes onto the red, covering one window completely. Your blue goes onto the blue, covering the other window completely. Make sure not to mix and match pieces, so you get to mix and match just a little bit. If you hear a spark, you know that's a good sign. Everything's working correctly. Sparks are fine, explosions are not. Alright, so next up will be the grips. You can pick any 2 of the 4 grips. For my friend over here, you'll have some bronze bands for you to be shielded with. These have the threading to go inward toward the activation plate and attach with a little bit of force and a little bit of a twist. Take one to the top, one to the bottom. Make sure not to over tighten. Remember, these bands are going to go inward towards that activation plate. You don't want to over tighten, you don't want to strip the scrap metal. Pick one to the top and one to the bottom. You need to push into that activation plate as you turn. There we go. There we go. Now you can grab yourself an emitter for the top and a funnel for the bottom.
Got this from?
Really, you have it on there right. There we go. I like this. It's brylarch wood. It's stronger than most metals.
Nice.
So that you can have yourself an emitter for the top and a pummel for the bottom.
Oh, okay.
You need to with the pummel hold becomes upside down and let gravity help you out. It's my second favorite force. Do you know what's my first favorite force? Inertia.
heavy.
Raincourt too.
Just stays loose for now.
Just don't tell Olga we're getting these, alright?
Alright.
Let's sip for beer flights.
Had some this morning. Excellent.
How was it?
Very good. Number 4.
Now this right here will be your activation plate. Ready to activate, you push this forward and downward to deactivate.
Alright.
To get this out of your way. It was a pleasure building with you, my friend.
Thank you.
Right on time as well. Very nice. This is my personal favorite. This right here will be your activation plate.
Yes, please.
Ready to activate, you push this forward and downward to deactivate.
Beautiful building. I really enjoy the use of the brylark, which is the type of wood that this is.
Oh, nice.
What I like about it is it's beautiful and it's organic, but it's as strong as steel. Sort of a metaphor, I think, for maybe judging something from the way that it looks when it is very strong indeed. And what made you choose the Rancor tooth?
I'm from Dathomir.
Well, there you go.
Makes sense.
Reminded you of home.
Yes.
In a way, yeah. And beautiful. What color crystal did you choose? What did you choose the violet crystal? I love that. As gatherers, we are trying to teach the force. You know, light, dark, that's what we want. And it seems like you are going for the same path, just trying to keep that knowledge alive. And thank you. I appreciate it. And what color crystal for you?
It's purple.
Okay, what made you choose the violet crystal?
I meant this is the front. This is the back.
There you go.
That's what I meant by
See,
that one.
sometimes the force whispers, sometimes he does. Sometimes, I don't know, I liked it, is a perfectly good answer.
Your activation plate, ready to activate, push this forward, downward, deactivate.
What game did I play for like 3 years?
Once you get past the syntax, I used to just sort of write this stuff off. Everyone take a moment to admire what you have created here today. You've all completed your hills. And nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? That wasn't the dangerous part. This is. Leave your hill where it is. So I take a step back from me. Maybe 2 steps if we felt called to a red crystal. Which is not adjustable. It's just that they're currently stabilizing the crystals for activation. And this could be especially interesting with the red crystals. This is a very delicate and a very dangerous process. Do you know how you can tell? I am not doing it. Apparently you put one hole in the ceiling and you are no longer invited to participate in this. Sorry.
Many parts there now. Join we are. Yes. Light Saber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask you to take a step forward. You'll place your hand on your hilt, you'll take a breath, and when I say activate, we'll activate as a group. Is everyone ready? Well, then take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, take a breath, and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And just like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone please deactivate your lightsabers. Good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end. And your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have made here today. And who knows, perhaps next time I'll be sharing your stories. Till the spire.
So let's fire! Thank you so much, my friends. Continuing right on this way. Grab yourself your sheet. Safe journeys, my friends.
Thank you.
Happy scrapping.
The first order says you remember to scrap metal and you were never here.
Thank you.